Hey everyone! If you're trying to log into your Rockstar Games account and you keep seeing the error message, "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time," don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to solve this problem. Just make sure you follow each step carefully. First, one very important thing: do not use a VPN when logging into your Rockstar Games account. Using a VPN can often cause this exact error, so make sure your VPN is completely turned off before trying. Now, let's fix the most common cause of this issue: your system time and time zone. An incorrect time or time zone can prevent Rockstar Games from verifying your login. Before we start, make sure the Rockstar Games Launcher is completely closed. If you're trying to log in from a browser, close that page as well. Just make sure everything is fully closed. Now, on your PC, press Windows+I to open Settings. Once Settings opens, click on Time and Language, then select Date and Time. Here's what you need to check. First, look at the time zone option. Click on the drop-down menu and make sure it's set to the exact country or city where you currently live. This part is very important. Next, turn on Set Time Automatically. After that, click Sync Now to synchronize your clock with the internet. An incorrect date or time can prevent Rockstar Games from connecting properly, so this step is very important. Make sure these three things are done. Your time zone matches your real location. Set Time Automatically is turned on. Your time is synced with the internet. Once that's done, close Settings and try logging into your Rockstar Games account again. In most cases, this alone fixes the issue. Now, if the error still appears, don't worry, there's another fix. Next, we'll unlink and relink your Rockstar Games account. Open your browser and go to rockstargames.com. Click Sign In and log into your account. After signing in, click on your profile, then go to Account and select Settings. From there, open Linked Accounts. Here, unlink any connected account you see, like your Xbox Network gamertag, Google account, or any other platform. Once it's unlinked, simply link it again. After relinking, try logging in again. You can even try logging in from your phone to check if it works. If you've tried everything and the issue still isn't fixed, your last option is to contact Rockstar Games support. Go to the Rockstar Games Launcher support page, scroll down, and click Submit a Request. Their support team is available 24/7 and can help you directly. And that's it. After completing these steps, the "We are unable to handle your request at this time" error should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.